Hello everybody and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I make some delicious and some easy sopes. So good. So if you're ready, let's get started. I'm going to start off by dicing up my meat. This is some steak meat, and what I'm going to do is just dice it into smaller pieces. And now that they are diced, I'm going to season them in this bowl with some Chef Merito. This is steak and meat seasoning. And I'm also going to add some adobo. And I'm just going to mix that in. And now this is ready for the stove. Here in my cast iron pan, I added in some olive oil. I added in my meat. And now I'm just going to cook it until it browns and is a bit crispy. And now it is done. If you can see, I left it just a little bit crispy right there. And now that the meat is done, I'm going to start making the sopes. So in here, I have 2.5 cups of Maseca, and I did add 1/4 cup of flour. You can omit the flour. I just always like to add it. I'm going to also add in a pinch of salt. And I'm going to drizzle on some olive oil. This actually helps my masa not be dry. I'm just going to mix that in. I'm going to be adding in some warm water little by little, and then I'm going to just mix this in. Just keep adding water until it is not so dry anymore. And once I have it like this, it's not dry, I'm going to knead it for a good 5 to 7 minutes. And now that I'm done kneading this for about 7 minutes, I did 7 minutes, you should have a dough like this that is nice and soft and will no longer stick to your fingers. So now I'm going to get ready to form these into sopes. So I have my tortilla press here, and then I have my 2 plastics. So what I'm going to do is just grab a piece of this Maseca. Now, make them as big or as small as you want. Plastic. I'm just going to put it in the middle. The other plastic. And then just press down. Now, I don't flatten it all the way because I don't want these thin. I don't want them too thin, and I don't want them too thick. I'm going to put it on the plastic, and then I'm just going to go around, and I'm going to shape it. And once I'm done, this is what it should look like. I'm going to continue doing that with the rest of my dough. And once I had them ready, I went ahead and covered them up with plastic wrap. In my pot here, I have added some canola oil. I'm going to heat this up to about 400 degrees. Once it's at 400, then I'm going to drop the temperature down. And we are right about there. And there goes one. You basically just want to deep fry these until they are brown. And that should be good right about there. And I'm just going to continue to do these until I'm done. Now that I have deep fried these up, now it's time to assemble. I have some beans here. And just add the beans. Add your carne asada. Lettuce. Tomato. Some queso fresco. And of course, don't forget your salsa. You could also add some sour cream or some crema. I didn't have crema, so sour cream it is. And there you go. Enjoy. And now we get to try it. Look how good that looks. Amazing. Homemade sopes are so good. And of course you can use whatever toppings that you want. You can use whatever meat that you want. The choice is yours. Either way, delicious. Bon appetit. So good. And that is my recipe on how to make sopes. I hope that you like it. And don't forget to leave a nice comment down below. Also, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Hit that like button. Hit that notification bell to make sure that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And we will see you next time. Bye.